Hey my people, welcome back to Music and Country Life. Now today I'll be sharing with you an authentic, quick breakfast recipe. Yes my people, it's a fritters that I know you will love and you will want to try. And here we have this scallion. And we keep it real, we keep it real natural and nice. Yes, authentic and natural. And so here we have the parsley. Oh yes, so we're gonna just get the parsley. I'm gonna just finish cutting the parsley for you. Yeah, I know you will love this recipe. It's gonna be good. Oh yes, here we have the bell pepper. Yes. And you'd want to cut them as small as you can. And here we have the hot pepper. Yes, and this is gonna give it an extra boost in taste. Oh yes, real niceness. And here we have our banana. And you would crush the banana. Yes, and you want one small banana. Yes, and you don't want to get it too ripe, but if you have it ripe, you can use it. Yes, but allow it to be small. You don't want it to be too big, right? Yes, and here we have our banana. Yes. Try and get it as smooth as you can get it. All right, and here it is done, looking nice. Yes. So now we're gonna add our flaxseed powder. Yes, my people. Yeah, so you want to get your flaxseed powder. Yes. So here we have it. Nice flaxseed powder here. Yes. And then we're gonna add our well-known white flour. Yes. Then our cornmeal. We're gonna add the cornmeal to it. Nice, this happening here. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna add the scallion, and this is the bell pepper, and here you have the hot pepper. Yes, and we have our parsley. Oh yeah, we're gonna mix it all together. Now we'll mix it all together. As you can see, really good. Then we're gonna add our freshly squeezed coconut milk. Oh yes, real goodness, real goodness. Oh yeah. And then you want to make sure that you stir thoroughly. Yes. As you can see, really nice. Yeah. And now we're gonna add our Himalayan salt, yes, to the mix. Yes. Yes, so the pot is hot and we'll now add the coconut oil. Yes. And now the pot is well hot, yes. So we will put in the mixture. Oh, okay. Yes, and you will allow them to be brown. Yeah, you can see fried nicely. Yes, my people. When you see they're brown, you will turn them on the other side. And now they are done. Yes? So you'd want to try this quick recipe. Frizzy fritters breakfast. Yes. And I know your family will love you for this, yeah? Awesome goodness in the Jamaica country life. Yes, my people, so you want to stay tuned and stay connected for another awesome and authentic, informative video, all right? Yeah.